guys doing out there? We're here at Timothy, and we just want to know, where did you travel with Student City out of their 14 locations?
It was my first time traveling with Student City, so I decided to keep it close to home. I went to Panama City. It was quite the experience.
All right, man, that's awesome. So what exactly did you do, and what celebrities did you see?
Well, first thing I did, I went out there and I just partied. It was amazing. And they actually had two celebrities, Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus. So it was 2 in 1, basically. It was really fun, though.
Oh, that's great. That's great, man. That's great. So would you travel with Student City again?
Is the sky blue?
Oh, I guess that's a yes. And what are the parents gonna say? Are my kids safe? Are they gonna come back to me? What's that about?
Student City, it's a very safe organization. They keep everyone under tabs, you could say. It's just very safe all around, and it's just an amazing experience. And I suggest it to anyone out there.
Oh, man. So, tell me, hands down, overall opinion of Student City right now.
I'm just going to sum it up in one word.
That's what we're talking about,